my name is Charmaine and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for visiting. If you would like to know how I designed that pencil pouch that you saw on my thumbnail, stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. First, I am using my Cricut design space. I'm going to upload an image and I'm going to use her. Click on it. Okay, and I want to make the image 5 by 5, so I'm gonna unlock that and push her on up a little bit. Let's see how. I'm gonna just go ahead and change it up here in the size up there. I'm just gonna put 5.0. Enter. Like that. Okay, so then I'm gonna go up right here. Make this about 5. See, yeah, that'll work. Maybe a little bit wider. So yeah, it's gonna be about 5. The width is 5.875 and 2.297. That should work. This is the pencil bag I'll be using, and I just measured it. It's glittery from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using the permanent vinyl for this project. And let me see, 5.5. Yeah, 5.5 would be all right to use for that. By 5.5. Yep, that'd be good. Okay, so now what we need to do is ungroup her. So I'm gonna ungroup her like this and push ungroup right here in the corner. Right there, ungroup. And then we are going to separate her because we have to weld her together, so we have to worry about all these cuts. As you can see, all these cuts right here of her. I'm going to go ahead and weld that together, and watch this. The weld button is right there. Now it's just one cut right here. There you go. Then I'm going to take this. Her eyes are okay. So I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to highlight it with the cursor. And see how those pieces right here? I'm going to weld that, and it's going to be one cut. We don't want to cut all those little pieces. So there we go. It's right there, one cut. Now let's do her eyes. Weld it. See all those little eye pieces right there? Make it one cut. There they are right there. Boom. And little heart, little earrings. Let's weld that. Just so we can put them together. And now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts instead of having all the other ones. If you want to know more about all this stuff over here, the welding, the cutting, I have another video. I will link that below to give you more information on how to what's this all about over here, the grouping, okay, and the layering. So now we only have 3 layers. So we're gonna need black vinyl, brown vinyl, some pink vinyl for her earrings. Well, I'm gonna make those red. I have some red I want to use up, and then the whites for her eyes. So let me go ahead and make it. See how easy that was? So quick and easy. The hard part is putting it together as like a puzzle to make sure it stays. Okay, see that's her black hair. I'm gonna scoot it down so it won't cut off. Then her skin. Bring it down some. Then her eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and load my vinyl up into my printer. Into my cutter. Into my Cricut. See my Bluetooth is on, just getting ready for it. And I'm going ahead and cut it, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got everything weeded out. Here's her beautiful face, her skin, her eyes, and then her earrings. 4 layers, okay? So, what I learned from the past, if they don't have any eyebrows cut out in the skin, you have to put the skin on first so you can be able to see the eyebrows, because I made a mistake before, and I put the skin on top, and it covered the eyebrows. So you can see that there's no cutout for the eyes, nose, and mouth. So that means that the skin goes on the bottom, okay? So let me go ahead and put my contact paper. I got my vinyl from brilliantvinyl.com, and I got my contact paper from Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and lay this down so it won't get any bubbles. Start from the top and work our way on down to the bottom. Okay. Like I said, most I got this from Etsy. Pickable image from Etsy. Like I said, most people do their SVGs differently. Like some of them you have to put the face down first, and then you put the skin on. But this one you have to put the skin on first, and then the face. And the whole head. So just be careful when you do that, because like I said, I made some mistakes in the past when I couldn't use it because of the way they designed their SVGs. Okay. So let's see if this is on here. Good. Okay. Again, this is permanent vinyl, and we're gonna put this on here. Put it on this side. Tag it on this side. So I'm put it on this side. So I want to make sure I have enough. Let me see. I'm gonna put this down first. I can see where I'm gonna put her at. Right in the middle. So put her skin right there in the middle. So put it about right there. Okay. Put it about right here. This is my first time using these doing this type of project on these bags, on these pencil bag pouches. So we're gonna see how this works. Okay. Oh, it's sticking pretty good. Hopefully the vinyl sticks pretty good on here. You see that? Yep. Sometimes it's good to clean the surface. I should have cleaned it with alcohol first, because usually when I do my mugs, which I will be doing a video on mugs pretty soon, vinyl on mugs, you put a little alcohol on to clean the surface. So I should have put some on here, but to make it stick. But it's stuck really good. Okay. So I'm just gonna get out the way. Get the face on. And also, if you want to continue to see this kind of content, these kind of videos with Cricut and vinyl and layering and sublimation, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you can be able to get notifications when I do new videos. Sorry, I'm scripting when I'm talking. I hope y'all heard me. I also have a book bag. I did a personal book bag with HGV vinyl, which is heat transfer vinyl. I did a book bag with that, so I can link that video below also. Also did a t-shirt with vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, HCV, and glitter. I can link that also. No, I'm also doing, I do a lot of hauls and stuff, trying to find cheap blanks to do DIY projects on. Dollar Tree haul, Walmart haul. Also do sublimation. So check out my videos, please. I will be uploading them every week, probably 2 a week. Start from the top and go down, because my fingers get kind of screwed up down there. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick her on here. Ta-da! It's all done. Here's the little lady. Little pencil bag for your little school later. School is about to start, and you can get her together. You can also do with the boys pickable image, picture from Etsy's. Thanks for watching.